Hey guys, it's just a review on the Eibach spring and sway bar set for the G37S. This is the coupe. The springs, 1.2 inch drop in the front, 0.8 inch drop in the rear. Not big, but got rid of the wheel gap a little bit, somewhat. Mostly in the front was noticeable. The rear wasn't too noticeable, but it did stiffen it up. I'm running 20 by 9.5 in the front, 20 by 10.5 in the rear. Zero issues. Doesn't rub. I don't have to creep into driveways and whatnot. The most noticeable part of this kit was actually the sway bars. I don't know if you can see them right under here. The sway bars were the biggest difference in handling. Absolutely eliminated the body roll. Springs were nice too, but the big difference was in the sway bars here. Install time, sway bars about an hour for the front, an hour for the rear. Springs about an hour to do the back ones all together, 2 hours for the front. Like I said, great kit. Not too low, but low enough to get rid of that 4x4 look. Any questions or comments, leave them below.